Hello and welcome. My name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda video. As you can see, we're in the engine bay, and as I promised, as I said in a previous video, if you change the first bank oxygen sensor, you should change it in the second one too. So from the thumbnail you have seen and from the title you have seen, I'll show you how to change the second oxygen sensor. Let's go. You open the hood, the bonnet, call it however you wanna, and you unplug and remove the battery. Yes, remove it. My one is charging right there. The car was complaining about something. Because why you want to remove the battery? Let's start the deep dive. It's this green cable, if we follow along. This green cable is the second bank oxygen sensor. So it goes here, here, underneath here again, here, here, and this hole. So the first sensor is this plug, the second sensor is this one. So we need to go here. So we need to go here, fish this again, here, 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 and it goes down there below. It goes there. Breaker bar, 10 mil because of the battery, the new sensor itself, the mini pliers for those things, a jack stands, and the creeper, garage creeper, because we will need to go under the car. Because the sensor, if I am correct, sensor is around somewhere here, under the car, somewhere here, like there and up. So let's start from top and go down. So first we're gonna remove all these, so the plug can fall in there, and we can just from the bottom we can remove everything. Remember, first battery comes out first. First comes first. Ta-da! Then with the pliers behind the tab. Ta-da! There we go. Now behind all this, here is another one. See that white thing? That's what's holding it on. So we're gonna get that so the wire can move out. There you go. See, it's here. So now as we got this far, we can jack up the car now. Now we've done everything on top what's needed. Now everything happens from under the car. So let's jack up the car. I'll put it on jack stands and then remember, always you go under the car, do this, do this. I put the jack underneath because I hear a clunk and I don't trust it. So I rather have safety as a jack, so if that fails, it will be still holding up. Let's follow the exhaust. Exhaust is right there. So here is the exhaust, and there is the sensor. See it, try this. This is the sensor. See the green wire. That's what we need. That's what we need to remove. So as we don't have much space here, we're gonna use this special socket, because here you have a 3/8 or the normal one for you, so you can put a breaker bar and just do click and do it. So yeah, let's try and do it. Basically you put it on and you put your breaker bar in here and done. Let me try to show you. It's kind of tight in here. Now you put the breaker bar right here and you push or pull. There you go, that's the setup. It's on the oxygen sensor and the setup. So let me put you on the side and I'll undo it. Now this is the old, let's compare it to the new one. Okay. About the same. Fully 4 pins. Oh, sorry, like this. Yep, the same. And yep, the same. They're all the same. Now we need to transfer what we are missing. We need to transfer this onto this and this small piece onto here. And I managed to save one. I'll try to cut right here, like right here, cut it, and then use the original zip tie to zip around so we can at least plug this in. And it even clicked satisfyingly. Oh, nice. And now if I can pull this through, ta-da! Now if I chop here, now I can actually reuse this, put another zip tie through this. It will be perfect. Now let's install it. So what we're gonna do is start from the bottom, thread this in, because the wire will spin with it. Then we're gonna put it in those. good and tight. Now then, this is there. This is good and tight. See, that's connected there, and that one right there on top. Further even deeper in. See right there, that's connected too. So now we can go on top. So let's go and do the rest on the top. We are done on the underside of the car. Got it. Can you see this one? There's a metal piece right here. Right here's metal piece, so we put this in that piece, push the tab down and slide it in. The same for this and this. Now let's route these where they should be. That there, I can only get the zip tie. For this hole right here, see this one? For this hole right here where it was hidden, I can get the zip tie and zip tie it there. And this one is obvious, it goes where I took it out from. Right on the bottom, right here. Nice. This plunks in here, and this connects to here. Perfect. There you go. There's nothing that can chafe. Now we can put these back on where they were. This is there, plugged, this is plugged. This routes, okay, let's follow. This routes here, then zip tied here, there, and goes down. Perfect. Now we put in the battery, connect it, and check if there aren't any trouble codes. No engine light. Perfect. And that all is done. That's how to change your Bank 2 oxygen sensor. Hope it helped, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.